of you present over here. This is the Divyanshi Singh Rathod of class 11th and I am nominated as a house captain of Rick 7. So being a newcomer, I know it's very difficult to all of you to decide that whether I deserve this position or not. But for me, it's really a great opportunity to inculcate the leadership quality in me. According to me, great captain are in the one who interested in their personal glory. Great captain are the one who find the ways to serve their teammates. So it should remain calm in every situation, because in other case team will be overwhelmed by the other persons. He always give a positive outlook, frequently support, encourage, inspire their team members, trust them and give respect to them, and in return resultantly gain respect. These are the things I think a team captain should have.
Good morning one and all present over here. I, Priyanka Priyadarshini Sahu, standing before you to say why I stand for the position of captain in Rick 7. My main objective to get this position is because I can ensure that each and every child of Rick 7 will not only take part in academics but will be also a part of co-curricular activities. Taking part in co-curricular activities will enhance the child spiritually, mentally and physically. Also taking part in other activities can make the child approach to and accommodate towards the changes in global challenges. I will take care that my house always participates in intra-house competitions as well as inter-house competitions. I have been always help my house in decorating in display boards, taking part in sports, cultural events, march fast and other such activities. I am confident that I can take all the responsibilities of my house as well as my academics. I am truly proud of my house and I will always work for its better and healthy transition. At last, I will say you that please vote me for the captain of Rick 7. Thank you all for your patient hearing.
Warm greeting of the day. I hope everyone is safe and sound. This is Shrutishriya Patai contesting for the captaincy of Rick 7. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way. Leader don't simply create followers. They create more efficient trailblazers, and that is what I strongly believe and want to exhibit if given an opportunity. I have been a part of Rick 7 since the beginning and it is very close to my heart. I have participated in many cultural activities and helped the cabinet members as possible as I can. Witnessing all the pros and cons of my 7, it has a great potential in every field. As a leader, I want to reassure that our achievements can immensely improve if we work together as a team. At last, I want to conclude by saying that this time I want to be the part of this crowd, not as a member but as a leader, and I hope my words are convincing enough to win your trust and vote. Thank you.
Good evening my friends, my name is Priyadarshini Sahu. Today I am here before you all to say the reason why I am interested for the vice captain of Rick 7. In my opinion, we all should try to become better in the best way possible than the previous days, than the previous hour, than the previous minutes. I promise that I will work hard and be the effective leader that you all need and will be proud of in the school. I promise that I will obey all the rules and regulations in our school. For me, the vice captain of Rick 7 is more than a badge, more than a title, more than a popularity sign, and but a chance to make progress in all the fields. I will try to serve my school, my southern, and of course you all my friends in the best way possible. So please vote for me and trust me, and I promise that I will not let you down. Thank you for listening, and remember, I am not perfect, but I think this position is perfect for me. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you. I am Adyasha Priyadarshini of class 9 and I am standing here with great pride and honor for the post of vice captain of Rick 7. Being a leader does not mean being a Hitler or a dictator. Rather, it only means to be little strict, and I think that I am suitable for this post. You can always come up to me, talk to me and let me know your concerns as well as advices. I am always ready to be your friend and I always believe in working as a team. Being a leader of you all will not only help me to serve you all or be a bridge between you and the staff, rather, it will also be a personal achievement for me. Your vote for me will be a vote for honesty. Your vote for me will be a vote for teamwork. Your vote for me will be a vote for diligence. I hope you will vote for me. Thank you.
A good leader always listens to others and they never try to judge who is that person and what they do. A pleasant morning to one and all present over here. This is Avilipsa Saho of Standard 9B. I stand before you to discuss the reason why I want to be a part of leadership team and hopefully become the vice captain of Rick Southern. Before expressing my views, I want to tell thanks to everyone for giving me a golden opportunity to speak in front of all of you. I realize that it's a privilege to have the honor, but I am confident that I will be a suitable candidate for this post. I will try my best to be an effective leader that you would be proud of in the school. I will try my best to uphold and obey all the rules and become the role model that you all can look up to. At last, I conclude my speech by saying that leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Thank you and have a nice day.